79 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10. To find the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, 2 goes into 7 how many times? 2 times 4, 8, which is greater than 7, so we have to stop here. 3 times, 2 times 3, 6. If you subtract, then you are getting 1. Bring down this 9. 2 goes into 19 how many times? 10 times 20, which is greater, so stop here. 9, 2 times 9, 18. Right? 9, 9 times 2, 18. Subtract, you are getting 1. So 39 remainder 1 is your answer. To write your answer in decimal form, just take here a decimal point, then add 0. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0, there's a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5 times, right? 5. 5 times 2, 10. If you subtract, you are getting 0. That is 39.5 is your answer.